Choose the color. Try not to make it the same color as the background, and if you do, try to outline it. Do this silly shape. You can erase if the cat mask looks too big. Erase where the drawing's eyes are. Add the ears. If you don't know how to draw ears, draw a curved triangle shape. I accidentally drew on the wrong layer. Add details. I didn't like the color of my cat mask, so I redrew over it. Add the elastic thing. I usually don't do this, but just in case some people want to. Choose the color you have but darker and start adding details to the mask. You can also use a black or brown if you don't use a darker version of the color you made your mask. These are the details you should add, but if you like drawing simply, you don't have to do this part. Make a layer under the mask and draw for the eyes. This is for the mesh. If you want to keep your character's eyes, you don't need to do this part. I drew random black lines to show the mesh. This was just for fun, so you don't have to draw the lines. Draw white. Make a circle the color for the eyes of the cat mask. Draw the pupils. Don't mind this part. The pupils kept looking weird. Make a layer above the cat mask and draw hair over the top of it if you want to. Me finishing the drawing.